Under this lighting, in front of this camera, looking in this mirror that I have behind my camera, I see a lot of growth and I'm shook. I'm really shook. Peace, beauties, welcome and welcome back to Here and There with Courtney, and it's your girl Courtney. Yeah, so listen, under this lighting, in front of this camera, looking in this mirror that I have behind my camera, I see a lot of growth and I'm shook. I'm really shook, but I'm going to, let me first tell you all about this ponytail. Okay, so about 3 days ago, I did my hair and it was cute. This ponytail was in the middle. It was sexy. It was popping. And then by day 2, it fell a little bit more. And then by day 3, this is just what we're working with. I have not taken this ponytail loose. I literally just used my oil, got in there, massaged, left it as it is. So that could be a big part of why we're seeing a bunch of what looks like hair growth. We gonna see. So let me just give a quick recap. 7 days ago on a Tuesday, I decided I was gonna start the hair inversion method, in which I laid down inverting my body either by hanging my head off the bed. Actually, that's the only way that I did it, honestly. I just hung my head off the bed and I did it frontward and I did it backward, and I noticed something in doing it both ways that I'm going to share with you as well in just a moment. And so I did that twice a day, and I did it for 7 days a week. Well, since last Tuesday. Supposedly, this is supposed to create additional hair growth. So we are going to see. So like I said, as a recap, I used this protective style grow oil, which is bamboo and coconut milk mixed with coconut oil and sweet almond oil by Talia Wajid. Please excuse my nails. Your girl did some planting. I was just been busy with the hands and this scalp. So much going on. So my nails are fine. My polish is over. So anyway, in this bottle, I had to make a beauty supply store run. I got me some eucalyptus oil. I actually got this from my dollar store, and some castor oil. And then I poured both of those into here, as well as a little bit of this here Dominican Magic, which is said to be really good for the edges. It is a hair follicle anti-aging applicator that your girl been using around here. And I don't know, I'm gonna have to do a side-by-side or figure it out, because I really kind of feel like it has been helping, honestly, in this area, because this is mostly where I've been placing it. But again, I did put some inside of the bottle as well, so it's all over my scalp also. So I'm also going to be sharing a package that I received. I placed a very small order with Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin. So I'm going to be sharing some of that, doing an unboxing, unpackaging here on the channel at the end of this video. So please stay tuned if you want to see what I got, because I did buy some lip creamer, which is why my lips are nude. And I want to see how it's looking. I want to see what it's giving, okay? I want to see if it's... I've heard some wonderful things, and I love my lips. So I'm excited to see the coverage and what it's looking like, the smearability, that, you know, the schmuck, all of that. So anyway, let me get back to the hair. So I have a little note of observations that I'm going to share with you first. First things first, and I don't know why I didn't think about this. Ladies, reinforcement. You are going to need reinforcement. And what I mean by reinforcement, hold on. Let me show y'all what I mean. All right, so this is one of my bed pillows, and this is the oil. This is the oil that my bed pillow picked up from my scalp. So with that being said, reinforce your head wraps, okay? So during the day, in the mornings when I got up and I made my bed and did what I had to do, got dressed, I would, you know, do a light massage and oil placement, and then after that, I would just hang off the bed, whether frontward or backward, and I was fine. It was okay. It was a go. I don't feel like... yeah, I do recall it was like dripping on my skin. I would grab a little towel and just drape it around my neck, or a t-shirt is fine, and it wasn't a problem. But I don't know why. I didn't think that if I laid down in bed at night that it wasn't going to smear on my pillows, because it absolutely did. So I would say, you know, tie your scarf down and then maybe get a plastic cap to put around the scarf. And that might even actually add value as a treatment, because now you're kind of, you know, creating heat and really kind of getting a deep condition, if you know what I mean. I don't know. But that's what I'm going to probably get into doing, because really I just said, you know what, we're gonna get through this pillow with this week. This one is mine, and it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So the next thing that I noticed is that so you're supposed to do this method, as I stated, twice a day, 7 days a week for 3 to 5 minutes. If you go longer than 5 minutes, here's what I noticed. My scalp began to itch. Anything longer than 5 minutes, like once I hit that 7 minute, 8 minute, and I think the longest I did was like 10 minutes, but like still like coming up a little bit every few seconds, like texting and stuff on my phone. My head itched. My head itched a lot. I mean, like I'm leaning backward and I'm like, oh, this is okay. It's probably working. It's probably working. So I don't know. We're going to see. Also, when I laid forward as opposed to having my head lean back, the itch was almost instantly, like after 2 to 3 minutes, there was more itch, more of an itchy feeling. Now, I don't know if, when we shave or, remove hair in other places, that itch is an indicator that hair is growing back. So I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below, because every time I leaned forward with my inversion, my head itched, my scalp itched, and also if I went over that 7 minute mark, my scalp itched. So I believe those are the only 2 things that I really wanted to mention. 3 things, yeah, 2-3 things that I wanted to mention as an observation. Definitely get you some reinforcements as far as plastic is concerned, maybe a shower cap to go on the outside of your scarf, and also leaning forward, leaning backward, just different observations. I felt like leaning forward, there was an immediate itch or an immediate maybe blood rush, I don't know. And then leaning backwards, leaning with my head, laying off the bed, sitting facing forward, I felt like I could go longer amounts of time, but after that 7 minute mark, my head was itchy. So let's go ahead. I'm excited. So I'm gonna take this hair down, actually, you all, Tuesday. The only reason that I'm not taking it down this week is because I plan to continue on with this method for another 7 days. I'm addicted. There's so much that I learned, so much that I want to do and try to create and make it better than I did this past week. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to give it another 7 days, and I'm going to really focus and really like treat my hair and really like get into it. So let's see. Please excuse all the silvers. I've had them since I was 10. I don't know. I've always been very, very wise. I've been wise beyond my years for years. All right, so what do you think? What are you thinking? What do you think? Let me see. I don't know. I think there's definitely some obvious growth. Oh yeah, I think there's definitely. Okay, so one way that I had looked at it was I left a nail bed's worth of length already out. And I want to say that I see that nail bed's length, but I also feel like there's a little bit more. I feel like the movability in these locks is showing me that there's a little bit more. Let's try. I feel like even with the amount of additional silver hair that I'm seeing, that's all new growth. And I feel like I see waves. Like that is all new growth. Now, of course, there should be natural new growth at this point because I've had these faux locks in for like 2 weeks now, a little over maybe. So there should be some natural hair growth that's happening anyway. So I don't know, ladies. I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna have to compare. Okay, beauties, now I need your help. I need you to weigh in. I need you to tell me if I am wasting my time or if you are seeing what I'm seeing. Do you see this obvious hair growth? Or is it just the fact that my faux locks are a little bit old, so my parts are kind of hidden because it's just natural hair growth that would have happened whether I did the inversion method and oils every day or not? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I look forward to reading your comments. I really just can't tell. If you really want my honest opinion, I would say there's extra growth. I'm gonna have to compare these videos. Oh no, I think I have some hair growth, which is expected, but I think I am seeing more than I really expected. Like you can see that extra wave of new growth. Yeah, I think so. So I don't know. What do you all think? I don't know if this is just because of the oil treatments or if this is a matter of actually inverting my body, but either way it goes, we're doing it again. This is week 2. We're going into week 2. I'm probably going to take this hair down on Tuesday. So yeah, I'll give you an update then, and I don't know, maybe we'll do a hair takedown video or something, who knows. But I want to get into this package that I ordered from Fenty Beauties. My apologies, welcome back. Someone was just knocking at my door, like they wasn't knocking on my door, okay? So I am mid where I was at, where I left off. I have my scissors and my package, and so I guess to secure the bag, Fenty went extra hard in securing the bag. All of that fuzz though is definitely a problem for me. So I bought 4 different items, actually 3. I bought the gloss bomb. Let me move this paper here so that I can see, and let me try to find what is up next. So this is the, ooh, pretty. This is the Gloss Bomb Cream Double Take, okay. It says Double Take Lip Duo, and it costs $24.65, okay. I'm loving it. It's very pretty on the outside. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. So these 2 colors, one is called Bubble Binge and the other one is called Cupcakin'. I'm assuming this is Bubble Binge. Yeah, and this is Cupcakin'. I like the Cupcakin' color. I feel like the Cupcakin' color is giving me like a moody pink, like a dusty rose. I like that a lot. This one might have to grow on me. Bubble Binge definitely looks like bubble gum, but let's give it a run. Let's see what we are looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. Let me share with you what I'm seeing. Ooh, okay. I see the cream part. So I have a little bit of shea butter on my lips already. Okay. Very creamy. Okay. Okay, so there's the color. I was about to say it's not really giving a bunch of color. So I like this. I like this. Oh, I don't want to really touch my face, seeing as I just opened this packaging like that. But I really like this. Yeah, I like it. It's not super bold how I was expecting. I was expecting more, but it's perfect. It's giving me exactly what I should have expected, honestly. It feels very nice. It's very creamy. I think I actually applied too much. I wouldn't wear this much, but I'm not gonna really, let's see. I don't really wanna touch my face too much. I love this. I love this. Let's go with the next product. Now, this is the product that I actually anticipated the most when ordering from Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin. I was really sold on wanting this. It's called the Fenty Skin Starter Set. I'd heard wonderful things about it. I've been struggling with some blemishes and dark spots and all different type of pigment concerns on my skin. So this, I am absolutely looking forward to using the most. If you want to see like a skin routine, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. It has 3 components. On the back side, it does share with me what those components are. As you can see, I'm gonna assume, okay, so this is the total cleanser, which is what you start with. This looks like the fat water, which you use in the middle, and this is the Hydrovisor, which you would also use last. Which you would use last. I'm trying to see. All right, so these are all daily applications. The first one is day and night. The second one is day and night, and this is also an every single day usage. So I guess it doesn't say day and night. It just says no excuses. So make sure to use it. I'm really excited about these pieces. I think I'll do like a separate unboxing or possibly a skincare routine. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing a skincare routine with those products. I'm really excited about it. And then I ordered the Brow MVP because your girl, see, these are my natural brows, and you know, I want to have dramatic, beautiful, lovely, flawless brows as well. And it's time to start. And so I figured I would order the MVP brow, and maybe it'll make it a little less painful of a process for me. Maybe it'll take care of the majority of work. So this comes in this comes in a white tube. It looks like it has 2 ends to work from. So let me go ahead and pop open this end. Okay, here's a little fine toothbrush, extremely fine toothed. I love it, very different. Okay. And so these are my natural brows. I would just want to have them look a little bit fuller, of course. And so I'm assuming, yeah, this is the applicator. This is where I would fill them out. I'm not really good with brows, or else I would give a little demonstration. I definitely need to check out a few tutorials. If you have a brow person who is great, or who has even possibly used this MVP brow brush that you know of, or a video that you've seen, please share it in the comment section down below. Let me know where I can check. I would definitely appreciate that. Came a free gift, which I'm so excited to share with you all, because when I looked at it, I was like, ooh, that is super cute. Okay, so this is a scarf. It's a head scarf. You can wear it however you want or choose, but it's that head scarf. And this is what she looks like. It says Fenty going across her. And then it also says Fenty around its trim. It actually says Fenty Beauty on the label though. I don't know if you can see that. And then it says, it actually says Fenty Beauty around the trim as well. So it's a really pretty headscarf. Let me see if I can go ahead and style it. Actually, I'm not gonna style it for you because my hair is kind of oily, but this is something that I would kind of just wear with a loose, probably not with this hair, but it's a head wrap. So it's like something that I will wear to the store, a quick run when my hair is done, but not really done. You know, I got a ponytail sticking out or something, and I just want to go ahead and cover my head type thing. So it has been so much fun sharing these products as well as my potential hair growth with you all. I hope that it is some hair growth that has happened. I am going to go ahead and continue this process regarding my hair with the hair inversion method for the next 7 days again, because I'm here for the results. And then I'm also going to go ahead and take this hair down, as I stated before, next Tuesday. So maybe we will do a video. Stay tuned. With that being said, please leave your likes. Hit those likes. Leave your comments down in the comment section below. I look forward to reading them. Share this video if you should so choose. Definitely go back and look at the other videos that I have going on, and subscribe to the channel and turn on the button and make sure that you have your notifications and know when I am going to be sharing that very next video of my hair growth, because I think that eventually this is going to be a real look. I'm putting it in the universe, y'all. My hair is going to be flowing down my back.